my friends. This is my friend Dodo. He is very tall and has long arms. This is my friend Haha. She is very small. She also has long ears. This is my friend Jiji. He is very long and has big toes. This is my friend Momo. She is very fat and has short arms. This is my friend Kaba. He is very big and strong. This is my friend Lulu. She has long black hair. She is also very fast. This is my friend Bobo. He is very old and slow. All of my friends are great.